Okay, this is my $20 Kapowwe mystery box that I already opened and looked at, and I got completely ripped off. It's no joke. Alright, so let me get all this stuff out of the way. I mean, this is supposed to be Airsoft, right? So I get a Western cap gun. That's not Airsoft. I get some crappy plastic thing that doesn't even work. What the heck is that? Then I get a plastic Uzi that you pull the spring, pull that knob right there back, then pull the trigger, and these things shoot out of them. Still not Airsoft. I get another super cap gun. Still not Airsoft. I get an air blaster. This little piece of crap that shoots little foam darts at this target. Not an Airsoft gun. This might have been the free item. Just by the way, all this is dusty and dirty. But this... Look, the scope's just a hollow hole. And this just shoots the little plastic darts. Then I got a supposedly one that makes noises and lights up. A non-Airsoft. Pull the trigger, nothing happens, it's broken. A soft dart pump action rifle. You know, still not Airsoft. Nerf, whatever. You know, receipt. I get caps. Still not Airsoft. I get more darts. Still not Airsoft. I get some sort of Addams Family series handcuffs. Still not Airsoft. Oh, look. What do you know? I thought I got a nice scope. No, it's a BB loader. This is the only Airsoft thing I got. I mean, Kapowwe, just don't buy from them. I'm very disappointed. It cost like $18 shipping instead of a 15-pound box. This box doesn't weigh 15 pounds. Lift up with one finger. So, this is Half 9 Airsoft. First video. Trying to be about Airsoft, but not quite.